everybody, Nicole Murray here again to give you yet another tip as a part of the Barbados Grow Challenge, which is brought to you by Victory Garden, Farm Finders, and the National Conservation Commission. Here's today's tip about soil depth. You'd usually buy your seedlings in a container like this, or you'll have them in little plugs, 1 to 2 inches deep. You would usually transplant those into a little pot like this, and then into something like this. If you notice, the pots don't just get wider, but they get deeper. Ideal depth for growing of any plant starts at 6 inches. You want to be able for your plants to get a really healthy, strong root structure so that a big mature plant can come out. Make sure you've got enough soil for your root to have a great foundation. See you again!